Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. And today we're going to take a first look at the new Kwikset lock.
Kwikset sent us this for the review.
This is a 700 series Z-Wave lock.
And it's called the Home Connect 620.
Home Connect 620.
I've also seen it called the Smart Code 620. But this is a Z-Wave lock, and it comes with a keypad and a key. So if you're like nervous that the battery's dying, you have the ability to use the key. And it comes with everything you need to install it. So this is obviously the outside keypad. It comes with the electronics inside to control it. It comes with a panel in the back here that you use to unlock the door from the inside. Mounting bracket. What else comes in here? Oh, a whole bunch of screws, doesn't it? And the screws are nice because they're all numbered, which is really handy when you're doing the directions. It'll tell you what to do. And of course, the deadbolt itself right here. And it comes with 4 batteries, so you don't have to buy batteries. So everything's right there.
All right, so this Kwikset lock does not work with its own app. It actually works with a compatible Z-Wave hub, something like SmartThings.
And that's what I'm going to use to install this.
All right, so we'll go off and install it and come back and do our full review. Thank you.
Thank you.